Now there are two sections in Priority. In the top section, you will see files that are most relevant to you right now. This is using machine learning powered suggestions that are based on various signals from your account activity. For example, files you have access to may appear here if they have been edited or commented on. It could simply surface files you use regularly, or files attached to upcoming meetings as well. The second section of Priority is for Workspaces. Workspaces are a private place you can collect shortcut links to the files you use the most. When you create a workspace, it will suggest files you may want to add to it. And you can put shortcut links to files from your My Drive, shared drives, or shared with me.